Our Spotlight grant recipient for August is Health Assessment and Research for Communities, also known as HARC. Eye on the Desert's Alexandra Pierce shows us how HARC's work is helping the entire Coachella Valley.
Founded 11 years ago, HARC's sole purpose is to provide research to improve health and quality of life. Every 3 years, HARC conducts a community-wide survey of the health of the region.
We work for other organizations throughout the valley and beyond to really get them the data that they need to do their best work.
Since their founding, they've conducted the survey 4 times. It covers everything from health access to mental health issues.
It's one thing to say, this is a real problem, we need funding to support programs and services to address that problem. It's another to say, look, here's the hard numbers. This is a major problem. And so that makes these funding requests much more competitive.
Organizations like Clínicas de Salud del Pueblo use their research to write grants.
It's very good to have that kind of knowledge when you are implementing, even when you're implementing something new in your clinic, whether it's vaccines or another educational component for diabetes, and that you have that information.
This research having a big impact on the valley.
Organizations using our data to back up their requests for funding have brought in over $12.8 million in funds to the Coachella Valley. And that funds things like free HIV testing, meals for homebound seniors, pregnancy prevention training for kids, whole 9 yards.
Now, thanks to a $25,000 grant from the H.N. and Francis C. Berger Foundation, HARC can continue their work.
The vast majority of our costs are staff costs because we have researchers who need to crunch the numbers, write the reports, disseminate them. So we'll be holding several trainings that we can teach people.
In turn, helping clinics like this one continue to provide quality care for people who need it. For Eye on the Desert, I'm Alexandra Pierce.